welcome to Advice from a Hotel Manager. I am Daniel Phoenix, and on today's video, I'm going to tell you why you should never use the hotel's comforter. You should never use the hotel's comforter because we don't ever wash them bitches. I mean, we don't have time to wash them. You talking about 100 different heavy ass comforters. Like, that shit is not going down. I'm sorry. We don't have time. Those comforters are big. Most of the time they're heavy. It would take too long to wash all them damn comforters. I mean, look at the comforters in your house. How many of them can you fit in your washing machine? Maybe one. And that shit is struggling. I'm talking about that motherfucker can't even move around in the water. So, I mean, yeah, we have industrial washers and dryers at the hotel. But to be honest with you, the most comforters we might be able to fit into one washing machine, maybe like 2 or 3. Now, the sheets and the rags and the towels, that's something totally different. We can stuff them bitches in there and wash, maybe 2-3 cycles. We might be able to wash all of the towels and rags from the previous night. But when it comes to those comforters, nah, we not about to take all day washing 2 and 3 of them bitches trying to get them washed for you to check in. It is what it is. Another reason we don't wash them is because it's gonna take too much energy. The number of times that it's gonna take for us to wash all of them damn comforters, man, that shit gonna take all day. Like, for real, it's gonna take all day. And we trying to get the sheets washed, the towels washed, the rags washed. It's just not gonna happen. The pillowcases, it's not gonna happen. Now, a hotel is a business. The amount of time that it would take to wash all of them motherfucking comforters, we just don't have time for that shit. I mean, we trying to get y'all in and get y'all out and get the next set of rooms ready to be rented out to the next guest for the next day. All that extra shit, look, it is what it is. Everything is not all doom and gloom. There is a solution. So, the next time you go on a trip, bring your own shit. Bring your own comforter. As soon as you walk in the room, the comforter that's on those beds in your room that you check into, snatch them bitches off, throw them bitches in the corner somewhere, and use your own comforter. Now, that's the solution. That's the best solution. Some of y'all motherfuckers don't have a problem with sleeping on that nasty ass comforter. Lil Pook and them had a cold and they been goddamn coughing and sneezing and spitting in that motherfucker. If we don't see no spots on that shit, we not taking it out. You know what I'm saying? It's a wrap. Your ass is gonna be laying around in some semen infested COVID blankets. I mean, it is what it is. You better bring some Lysol, and that shit is only gonna kill 99.9% of the germs. That 1% is still lingering in that motherfucker. But for you niggas who don't give a fuck, who don't care, sleep under the top sheet. The top sheet is the sheet that's in between the fitted sheet and under the nasty ass comforter. So all you gotta do is pull that motherfucker back and slide in between the fitted sheet and the top sheet. And, the blanket won't be touching your body so much. I don't know about your chin and all this shit up in here. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, that's your problem. The last solution that I can tell you that you can do to avoid having to sleep in under some nasty-ass hotel comforter is go to a more upscale hotel. I'm talking about like the Renaissance or the Ritz, you know what I'm saying? Because they use what's called a duvet. A duvet is where they put the comforter inside of a covering that they zip up. Now, the covering is pretty thin. It's more like a sheet type material. But they wash them shits. Like, it's nothing. It's just like washing a sheet. You unzip it, take it off, wash it, then put the comforter back in it when it's done. That's the next solution. But though that happens at more upper class hotels. That shit is not going down at some of these rinky dink ass hotels that you're going to. So, I mean, if you have the money, spend the money, go to a higher class hotel. If you don't have the money, bring your own comforter. Super simple. But I'm just trying to help you out and let you know, hey, don't sleep under them. Hey, don't use that hotel comforter because that shit is nasty. You know what I'm saying? It's nasty. So, I hope you're more informed for your next trip or fling, however you like to get down and live your life. Anyway, thank you for watching. If the information was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe because I have more advice on the way and you don't want to miss it. And this has been advice from a hotel manager. Peace.